All right, we're gonna break number 108. It's an old little single box PYT number 5 for Optic Contenders. Teams are up on the right hand side. Good luck everybody that got in. Thanks to John for closing this one out. 6 cards, just a big hit product. I got one personal left of this if anybody's interested. 115 a box. All right, good luck. We got a Cowboy up first, Mr. Dak Prescott. For the Seahawks, Thomas Rawls. All right, our on card is for the Titans. Taylor. And for the Eagles, Shelton Gibson. Not numbered. Oh, Taylor's got a nice little auto on him. Give that man the space and he'll strike those T's better than anybody else. Shelton Gibson for the Eagles. Oh, we got a gold for the Colts. T.Y. Hilton. Should be numbered out of 10. 1 of only 10 for the Colts. It's going to Solomon. We've got a random to end us off. Alright, we got the Bears and the Rams. Adam Shaheen and Gerald Everett. I'll random these two. Unless the same guys got him. William and Solomon. Alright, sorry to everybody that went hitless. I know. I saw the Rams and I thought of John. Alright, I'll random this with the Bears and Rammers. We'll go 7 times. Top team gets the card. Bears. Bears get the insert. Alright guys, thank you for that break.